The Visual Studio. Okay. Alright, before anything, I should probably save this. Okay, so one thing I wanted to handle here. Dun, dun, dun. Na, na, na. Down. Down. Okay, so we're also going to search for the ability. Um, What do I call that? Search parameters? Hey, what's up, cat? Yeah, no to keep your hopes up high. Scott back to sleepy. Save here, dude. Busy day today. Keep it down. Hello. Hey, what's up, Heart? How you doing, man? Okay, that is all the way down here. Da, 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 da. Da, na, na, na. Da, da. Da, 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 to the ocean, hold high. I can't stop yawning. What is everyone busy? Tired today? My bones. Will be found. My mind, I'm all pissed. Until I never run this way. Do you wanna come with me? Do you wanna feel my bones? That's only natural. Sleepy Tuesday? Something like that. Don't you wanna feel my skin? Um, don't you wanna come with me? Don't you wanna feel my bone? Shit's this. Natural. Wanna stand with me? Don't you wanna feel my skin? Your skin. With me. Feel my bone. Gotta redo this. It's only natural. Um, I don't understand. What can I say? I know. I don't think Spotify uses HTTP. Let's see if this works. I don't know to believe in. I don't know the concept. Okay, that's technically someone could do that. Let me open. Oh, that could just be static. So let's see if this is a valid URL. No. Little screen times. Okay, so technically it can be HTTP. Hey, what's up, Griffin? How you doing, man? Technically it can be HTTP or HTTPS. So we want this. Buzzing all over me. So we'll see. You're good but sad. Why are you sad, dude? Back in the dark with the spot when they hit, when they met at the start, it was hot like the sun, it was on, it was on, I was 8 in the morning. Que jamás ago down the tone on our prayers. The one, oh. Okay, so if it's a valid Spotify URL, we'll search with the search text. Family stuff. Hope everyone's alright, dude. I know how that shit goes, dude. It's not fun. Family stuff can be brutal, dude. It'll pass, though. Did you play any games to pass the time? It's a good time passer, yeah? Yeah, family stuff can be pretty brutal, dude. I know the feel is all too well. Catch me and when I bet those be paid. That's why I usually fixate on games, because I can't really mess up. Okay, so that's going to give us the Spotify link. So if I typed in song request and put in Spotify link, I'm blessed with the text soon. I gotta go, but I'll be back next. Yeah, black party by the bar. She kept looking at me like, how would I know? Technically, someone could put extra text in here and that would mess it up. So I think what we do is we search for Spotify track information. He gonna love you until you hate me. Actually, we should do this. How do I know what the actual Spotify link? Yeah, what up, Nero? For boxes go to? I don't know about that, dude. What are you doing today, Nero? I'm gonna love you until you hate me. Not too bad. Nice, man. But it could be worse, yeah. Just put the heart out. Okay, I think we can do this. Okay, where is that? Okay, there's one. Are all of these the exact same length? Actually, let's do this. Alright, Iggy, call down. Think all these are the same. I'm gonna love you until you hate me. Okay, all these are the exact same length. That's good. Just make me harder. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Now the problem is someone could put just HTTPS and that changes this by one character. No, 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 no. Okay. Da, 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 da. It starts with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. It is I despite display the two time. Oh, I know. Time is a political thing. Watch fire by as the pendulum swings. Watch it count down to the end of the day that it takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look up below. Watch time go right out the window. Trying to hold on. Didn't even know you wasted it all. You got kept everything. Okay, so the only thing that could be possibly off is whether someone links an HTTP or HTTPS. And got so far. We could technically split this on track. Doesn't even matter. One thing, I don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I just understand myself how I try. Part of the way you were mocking me, accent. Know any good roguelikes? Bellatrix is pretty good. It's like a little poker one. And is Steam being whacked for me now? It's called Bellatrix. It's in fact, actually Jake showed me this one. It's like a little card game, and you build like a deck every time. It's actually pretty badass, and you can get like massive combos and stuff. It's pretty cool. Got all kinds of cool achievements and stuff, and like these little jokers are what those things at the top. They're called joker cards. Oh, really? Oh, okay. I never know what defines a roguelike. Isn't Binding of Isaac? Darkest Dungeon is one of them. Oh, Tuesday Maintenance? I thought that starts at 7. Have you heard of... Shit, what did I just say? Darkest Dungeon? That's, I think it's this one. Darkest Dungeon's pretty good. Pirate, that is not true, sir. You also play World of Warcraft. So that is clearly a lie. You know what they really should bring back is Dirty Bomb, dude. Hey, what's up, Shobi? Need something new? Why, man? What, Team Fortress 2 not doing it for you? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure you could, search in a roguelite. I'm sure there's plenty of them. I don't know, man. I don't really touch many games nowadays. Hades, I heard Hades 2 is really good. I think that's on Game Pass. Project Zomboid, I heard, is pretty good. I did not know Risk of Rain was considered a roguelike. I don't even know what's considered a roguelike. Heard Slay the Spire. Is Castle Crashers on here? I don't know if that's considered. Yeah, there's Darkest Dungeon. I don't know if... I've heard Enter the Gungeon is really good. Noita is really good, from what I've heard. Oh, Binding of Isaac is. Yeah. I'm more of a PvP first-person shooter kind of dude, so I don't play too many of them. I don't know if Castle Crashers is considered a roguelike, maybe. Run Vampire Slivers, can't download anything right now? Poor you. Yeah, sure. What I'm doing is making it so I can do searching. I will get the Q command probably tonight too. But first I'm going to do this so I can, for two things. One is when someone does like this channel point reward, and does command request, there's no text that shows up. And so when I need to change this command so people can like enter this, and when they claim this, it actually searches whatever text comes in. And before I do that, I'm going to change it so that works nice, dude. I'm gonna make it so people can also type in like the actual links to songs instead of just like the search results. The only problem, so it looks like all the links are the exact same. This part is truncated. The link actually works without that. I don't know what SI stands for, but the problem is that you can either use HTTP or HTTPS, and both links work. I think by default it's HTTP, but or HTTPS rather. Like almost everything nowadays is HTTPS. Everything is wonderful now. Hey, no worries, cat. Taking a cat nap. Lucky you, dude. No, probably. I took a nap earlier today. So all we need is open Spotify track. Yes, I definitely understand them there. I mean, the problem is someone could easily fuck with the link. It's your fun. Can I just want to stay the same, just like it used to be. I hate everything. I hate everything. That's bad. Actually, we could do this. No, 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 no. No. Everything. Dun, dun, dun. Just, I don't wanna hear you tell me everything is wonderful now. No. Wait a second. Song request. I think it's Evercoin. Yes! Saves me from even having to open a Spotify. No, everything is wonderful now. One of these was on Ned's Declassified School Survival Guide a long time ago. I think it was this one. Here is the money that I owe you. Yes, you can pay the bill. I will give you more than I can say it again. So the problem if I do contains, they have never been poor, they have never been a part of a welfare Christmas. Yeah, I know we'll never look back. I never left down my side, my baby's down. I wonder if I could auto refund if a search result isn't found. I think I could do that with this one. Thanks that I am really alive. I will buy you a garden where your flowers can bloom. I will buy you a new car. I will buy you a house way up in the West Hills. The problem with using contains is people can pad. Yeah, I trust Pirate on that one, man. He does a bunch of those. A rich boy, and I'd make you take your crap. If a minute or two, it'd make you cry. If another can't make the will the way that I do, I will buy you a garden. Flowers can bloom. Way up in the West, I will buy you a new life. Yeah. I want to see if I can subscribe to that, where I can see if I can subscribe to see when ads are starting, so I can put a notification coming in. What do you got? That's like a list of like 50,000 pirate. No one will ever know. Yeah, yeah. I will buy you a garden where a flower. I never hear you talk about roguelikes, actually. Shiny and new, I will buy you that new cars way up in the West. I will buy you a garden. I think I just do starts with. I think that's what we do here. And if you're not starting with the track name, I think we just do starts with it, and otherwise it's a user error for typing an extra chat. Yeah, Binding of Isaac, I knew that one. I think I said that one earlier. Wait, didn't I normalize that already? Or not? Make it all lowercase. So. Everybody got their wall. And for that. Okay, this will make it always be secure no matter what someone happens to link. That means we can always use this. So https:// open spotify.com/track. Gotta hold on. Gotta hold on. Everybody's gonna run. Okay, so at this point, so it always has to be starting with, if you put in a message that doesn't have if you put in a request that has text in front of it, that's easier. Then we'll just search for it. Otherwise, wait, I don't think this is possible. Just want to make sure. Yes. That's not right. So if you happen to do that one, this is what we're resolving. So then we split. Or actually, we don't need to split. Gotta hold on. Gotta be strong enough to know, never know. Hang in there. I think split actually works too. I think that actually works. I'm pretty sure it just returns both. Yeah, one element with the original string. Okay, so no matter what, we end up with this. So then we can take this, do URL split sub-0. Down. So we're gonna do this. We start at 0. In my place, in my place. I don't think this is possible. Yeah. Stupefy. How? How much? Okay, so what that's going to do is that's going to split on this question mark, which will either give us this and this, or it'll just give us this. So sub-0 is going to be this no matter what. Then we do remove index 0 to the length of this, which should give us this every time. And that's going to give us the track ID. Yeah. How long must you pay? Yeah. How long must you wait? And actually, as long as someone doesn't mess this up. And technically we need to do this too. Technically could do that ahead of time. Which we probably should, but yeah, it's fine. Technically, yes. Come on and sing it out now. Let me. I said I couldn't change. Still, yeah. Okay, and technically this is a little bit better than having to replace this. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. I'm on the outside. Da, da, da. You can in a second here. Da, 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 da. Now I'm on the outside. I mean, technically they're pretty much the exact same. We're on the outside. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. And now I'm on the outside. Okay, that'll also handle these, and it's a little bit. I don't have to replace the entire string. Da, 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 I'm on the outside, now I'm on the outside. Da, 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 da. Now I'm on the outside. Okay, can I do this? No. Da 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 da. Excuse me. Da, 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 that may work here. Let's try it. Yeah, nothing. All right, Pirate, go ahead. Do a song request with a link. Try it too. That was definitely not it. Well, I wanna push. Down now. Oh, what the fuck? Oh. Wait a second. I don't know why this isn't working. I wanna push no time now. I wanna push you around. Push you around. Well. I wanna push you around. Well, I will. Well, I will. Okay, let's try this. Well, I will. Well, I will. I wanna take you for granted. You wanna try it, Pirate? As soon as it's up to exclamation point, SR, and then a track in Spotify. And then we also need to test. There you go. Okay, that one should work just fine though. Do one that's a link. But you can also try doing song requests for that one too. Not just SR, but like the actual full thing. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Yes. Interesting. That's just something I don't want to do. Oh, that's just bad. Right? To dive. And then I've been thinking. Oh, really? Well, I think you can still look up the songs. Just don't say. Which are we starting this? Oh, really? Oh, never mind then. Dun, 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 today. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. Weird, I didn't hit that. Oh, that's why. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. I think this one might work then. I had to go into the wrong request. Da, da, da. Alright, what song is that? I want you to be happier. What song was that? Hey, what's up, Fossil? How you doing? Also, how did I clear up my entire playlist? Whoops. No. Did I break Spotify altogether, dude? The fuck? What the fuck? Did I break all of Spotify? The fuck? I don't know. That's gonna fail because nothing is playing right now. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, wouldn't that be something if I crashed all of Spotify, dude? That'd be kind of fucking hilarious. Okay, Spotify is not running, so what the fuck happened here? Yo, what up, Cyan? How you doing, dude? Uh-oh. Dude, I think I broke Spotify for me, dude. What if I close this out? Yo, what up, B? How you doing, dude? I honestly have no idea. I don't know what happened here. I don't know if I have Spotify on my phone. I do not have Spotify on my phone. Okay, so we have broken Spotify on our side. I don't know what the fuck this is now. Hey, what up, Aries? How you doing, dude? Well, dude, did I just break Spotify? Does Spotify work for anyone else on the planet? Please tell me I didn't break it for the entire world. I highly doubt that, but what the fuck, man? Okay, what if I open it through the browser? Okay, what if I stop playing it here? Hey, it works again. Okay, that was fucking weird. Alright, it worked. How'd I get this name Smooth Dagger? Well, I'm smooth and I'm a dagger. Chip Dagger doesn't work too much. I mean, yeah, we could go back to the Stone Ages. Smooth operator. Cynical needs to be in here, dude. He called me that the other day. Don't see someone. No, I think it was just me. Right now, Jagged Sword. Okay. Right now we're programming Spotify APIs, so something in there broke. But I think I had the correct song ID. Let's try this again. Da, 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 da. This love has taken its toll on me. What? The fuck happened here? Oh, that's not very nice, Aries. You know, what comes around goes around, girl. Okay, Okay, let's see if this works. Yes! Except your emo goes really fast over here. I will fix that at some point. Did I break Spotify again? I did. So something is happening on this. Interesting. Okay, so the way we resolved that was just going through Spotify. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Wait, how do I fix that? Oh my god, I broke it again. Wait. Okay. So back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Da, da. Oh, you know what? I think I need to do this. Abracadabra. That's the next. Abracadabra. I don't know. Wait, wasn't that the same thing? Okay, let me try this. Ah, close. Oh my god, dude, how old do you think I'm old? Da, 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 da. Da, da. Wait, so this was actually a success. Abracadabra. Wait, this is playing here now. Abracadabra. Wait, what was the song for that though? That's Maroon 5, This Love. Da 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 da. Abracadabra. I don't think I can search by song ID, right? Da 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 da. Abracadabra. think that one's gonna go. Forever Cadabra. Yeah, that one was added. Dun, 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 dun. But it's the other one that's not being added here. Wait, they sampled this from Steve Miller Band? Oh, that's weird. Sounds like it. Let's see, that's what this should be. Da, da, da. Abracadabra. Wait, Power, try that one more time? Do anything? Oh, I guess I won. Song request, I don't know. Oh, it is. Abracadabra. Oh, you know what? I know why it's not working. I know why it's not working now. I know why it's not working now. Or I think I know why it's not working. Abracadabra. Is anyone ever gonna type? Whoa! Is anyone gonna ever type? It would be pretty weird for someone to go out of their way to change the URL to be uppercase, and at that point, you know, it's on you. Abracadabra. Okay, let's try this. I think it's because there was uppercases in here. And it looks like the Spotify URLs actually maintain that uppercase. Is this even shuffled? No. Every day. Okay, we'll just do this one. Oops. Every day. This guitar is kind of whack. I fuck with it. Dude, Steve Miller Band is dope, man. 70s went hard, dude. Let's see if this one works. Dive in my pool. Oh, there it goes. Okay, that worked. The only difference is I don't know what track this is. Two naked models with suds on their booties. So that one actually worked. So now we can actually do song requests actually with the track ID. The only thing I would say is that so the song name and everything is empty. There's no stopping every day I see better. I'm gonna change the song. Oh, let's see. Song request, the Joker. Step outside and say hello to my beautiful world. Grandma's cooking breakfast. She makes cake. Yeah, it's because everything was lowercase and Spotify URLs actually use uppercase characters for uh, their links. So that should take care of that. Hey, Shelby, does this irritate you? I see this right here. I see this. You know how you gave me that little string and how I put a comma ampersand? Does that irritate you, Shelby? Take an elevator to the club in my crib like yes. It's all in poppin', yes. Yes. And there ain't no stopping, yes. It's all in poppin'. Okay, so that solves that. The question would be, can I retrieve the name of that song? I mean, here's what Shelby wanted. Here's the cue. We could grab the cue. And instead of doing this where we retrieve this song name and everything and put it in there, we do it after we search, and so we get the last object that was in the queue. Down, 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 down. Down, down, down. Dun, 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 dun. Well, it's always going to be a track object, which we already have track object made. So really, this response is just currently playing track object in the queue of track objects. So instead of doing it there, all the other kids with the pump top. The other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better. Okay, so instead of saving out the IDs there, so both of these would be on track, queued, completed. We would do one more because I would not know. Is Shelby still there? Shelby, what was the queue thing you asked for? You wanted to know the entire queue, but didn't you want to know who was queuing it up by? The other kids with the pumped up kicks, you better run, baby. I got it. All the other kids with the pumped up, better run faster than my bullet. Dun, dun. I don't think Shelby's here. How rude, dude. All the other kids with the... So this would just be request player queue. Yes. That's to you. All the other kids with the pumps up kicks, you better run, baby, run. Access token, and then this is just me player Q, which is this. And that's just a get. Some people call me the space cowboy. Da-na-na-na-na-na, yeah. Some call me the gangster of love. And the puppetess of love. My pocket, baby, baby. Doing you wrong, doing you wrong. Don't you worry, baby, don't worry. 'Cause I'm right here, right here, right here, right home. 'Cause I'm a joker, I'm a sinner, and I'm a sinner. Doing my music in the sun. What's it called? Not toga. I felt it all to know. I'm a sinner. Okay, so I'm a toga. I'm living on the run. You. Oh. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, ow, 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 wow, 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 wow. So it's always going to be an array of track objects, or it should be. The cutest thing that I ever did see. I really love your peaches, wanna shake your tree. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it all the time. Ooh, baby, I should show you a good time. Okay, currently playing Sinner. I love my music in the sun. I'm a talker. Okay, that'll give us the Q object. So in here, burn it down. Just want to make sure these are kind of the same. Dun, dun, dun. I keep talking about me, baby. Say I'm doing it wrong. Because this one is going to have to be after the track has been queued. Show you a good time. And essentially... 'Cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky for the stars. In my heart. Okay, go on and tell. I don't care. So we're going to be using this for two different things. In your arms. Oh, oh, oh. To the moon, I could stop. Okay. I don't see you. I don't know. Don't. Just heavenly view. View. There, now it should be able to grab the track every time, no matter who happens to be, whether it's queued through Spotify's link or if it's queued through normal searching. And now we also have normal queues. Two trailer park girls go around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. Two trailer park girls go around the outside, around the outside, around the outside. Dun, 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 dun. Let's try. Guess who's back? Lady's back. There it is. Nice. And that's with using the link. What do you mean about the refresh token? That is a separate issue that has nothing to do with searching, but it is something that we need to tackle. But this means that people can use either Spotify links or normal searching. Hey man, there's always more things to fix, okay? What? What? Oh, wait a second. This is including next from songs too. Well, shit. Locked out of hidden. Fuck. Okay. So let's do this. Is there a way to know if this has been queued? That times just seems anybody only wants to discuss me. No. Okay, so what happens? Oh, that's not good. So how do I know which songs are actually queued? Interesting. I don't know which songs would be queued then. Living young and wild and free. Da -da 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 -da. Actually, I would know this. Kind of. Kind of. Okay, so there's multiple ways we handle this. One is every time a new song would play, I'd have to pull down the queue and do a comparison check to see all of the different queues. I would have to maintain the queue in order to see where a song would have been inserted. Because the problem is the queue that Spotify is passing down is every single song that exists. Not every single song that exists. It's queuing every single song. It's returning the queue that includes songs that are in the basically every song that is even in like this, not just the queue, but like this next category. And I don't. So this is a getting calls, so I have no option to control whether. I have no option to choose. I think. I have no option to. I have no option to determine songs unless I keep track of this. I have to determine what has been added to the queue. Oh, there ain't no place I'd rather be. This may be for tomorrow then. I don't know if we're going to be able to finish this today. That's all I need. Because I think this forces us to have to always pull down every single queue. And I don't think there's a way to not have those queued. That was never listed. That's kind of irritating. That's all I need. Oh. Okay, so how would we handle this then? I'd have to grab the queue at the very start of the application. Every time a song finishes, I would need to pull down the new. I would basically have to refresh the queue. Then, when someone queues up something, then we have to swap it out and do a comparison check to see where this was inserted. Wow, that's really, really irritating. I don't think I saw a flag on this that would tell me if this was, the track object definitely wouldn't have anything that would tell me whether this was in queue or not, because it has no relevance to the, track, or the queue. There is a possibility here. There is a possibility here. And the possibility... It's the motherfucking D.R.E. Dr. Dre, motherfucker. The possibility is that we basically do a search against the first track ID that would have been found, because I still have record of what the track ID was. The issue comes up if the track IDs... The issue becomes if the track IDs... The issue becomes if there was already a previous track queued up. So if someone requests the same song twice, the queue is going to be incorrect. However, it could be possible that we just prevent multiple tracks of the same, so we don't so we don't have 10 Freebirds playing. So technically that's not the worst idea ever. I could retrieve the queue ahead of time. Oh! There's a possibility. I retrieve the queue ahead of time. I retrieve the queue ahead of time. I retrieve the queue ahead of time. Then we see where the first difference is in the existing queue. Oh, that works. Oh, that's even easier. Okay, we'll grab the queue ahead of time. So that's going to be... Excuse me. So that's going to be the exact same thing. So instead... It's going to be all of this. And this shouldn't fail. So then we store out... Okay, so we grab this ahead of time. Then this is here. This goes in here. Do I? Can I? Good enough. Okay, so that gives us the queue. So this all has to happen before the queue is made. I'm about to get rid of these regions. Don't think they're too useful here. I thought about it, but I still like regions. There's a few more on other classes too. That's probably like the only thing that's viable for this. So request user queue before track queued. That's going to give us the Spotify track queued. Then we come back in here. Should still be 0. Or still be greater than none. Wait. The queue could technically be empty. Although it really shouldn't, because at that point nothing should be playing. I don't know if that's going to return null. It's possible, but I don't think so. Thought you my friend, and I tell you all about it when I see. Wait, this can't be a for each. This has to be a for loop. Hello, where's you? Don't think that's possible. So how would we check this? what can we use to check this against? Because technically... Actually, I guess it doesn't really matter, right? But it should be the Yuri, I think. If it was duplicates... Which one was it? Yeah, it's Spotify D. What's up with this? Oh. If it was... Okay, if it was... the same, that means two songs are queued up together. So one would have... So say we just queued up Coldplay, Yellow, then we queued up Coldplay, Yellow again. The first one would have Yellow in there at first. And these would be equal, so we move on to the next one. And the next one would... Okay, so it's Yellow and then Scientist. Then it'd be Yellow, Yellow, Scientist. So if they're not equal, so Yellow, Yellow is fine, then we're on index 2. Okay, I think this is correct. I think this will give us the correct thing. That means that... this still needs to happen before we try queuing this. So before we do... I think we need 2 of these because one of these needs to handle a different... So request user queue before track queued by... Wait. Yes, this has its own flow. This one... is going through the track search completed. Oh my god, there's too many of these. Hang on. There's two flows that are happening here. One of these is by searching by ID. The other one is searching by search terms. By track ID. This one is by search terms. Oh my god. This one is track ID. And then once these are done, so we need handlers for this, which is literally just going to send us to both of them are going to come through this one. This one's by track ID. This one's this. Because then this one does request track key by search terms, which we still have reference of. By track ID. Okay, so now we have the current queue that exists every time we do a search. Oh my god, dude, I don't like that. Okay, so oh my god. Request user queue before track queued by search terms. Request by track ID. Okay, then that one actually takes this and we'll do the request through the track terms. Then these need to be changed. So this needs to be track ID and this one is search terms. What did I spell wrong here? Oh my god. And then that's going to call that. The other one will call this one, and we already have those flows. So I think... Yeah, what up, Lag? You just woke up in 2015? To what? What was playing? What, Spotify or something? Have to pretend, but it's over and we know. Love in a Hopeless Place? I mean, is that playing? Oh, Rihanna and Calvin Harris? Maybe. Alright, give you a throw. I don't know what that command is, or I don't know what that command is. I cannot help you. It's a pretty neat command you got there, buddy. I liked your bot. It was very cool. Da-da-da-da-da. To change your mind. What the fuck did my back button go? And there's one check. Sweet Tea pet integration? It was pretty weird. Yeah, yeah, dude, she was too positive, dude. She's too positive. Okay, I think this might work here, so let's try this. I think that might work. Yo, what up, Coordinate? We nerd every day? I did, dude. Every day we're nerding. Also, we should check what this is. Every day. I don't know. Beverly Hills. Bam! Cool, we got Beverly Hills. Now let's try doing... Let's try doing this. And it also queued! Hey! We did it! And it gives us the correct name, so we know exactly what song we're on. Good. Then... we can take this a step further. And we can say this. Yo, what up, Pastor? Play that funky music, white boy. Not you. Guess over there. That's a lot of fixing up to do? Oh, I mean, we have queues now, Shobi. Not complete, but I do have the APIs for queues. And technically I can give you them. Not yet. I have not added the command yet. Get into it. But we have... now we can do this. We can either do... we can either do song request with the song, or we can do song request with an actual link, and it'll add the song based off of the found link. But it required queues, so I have gotten to it, and technically I know the queue order right now. Yeah, Spotify. Well, Spotify's bullshit stuff is that when you request a queue, it gives you not just like this queue, like this is next in queue. It actually also gives you like this next from the rest of the playlist. And so I didn't know which song was the actual one, so I actually pre-pull down the queue to get the actual queue information. Then I do a comparison against the new queue to find out where it was actually inserted. And that's where we're about to do this. So queue position equals 0. And then what we're going to do... oh, not that. Spotify... Would you ever say someone is in queue position 0? Does that make sense? Or would it be queue position 1? I feel like 0 makes more sense in my head, but for some reason I think that 1 makes more sense to a normal person, but because I work off of index being 0, 0 makes more sense to me. 0 means now playing? Okay, so we'll do T plus 1. And the world turning inside out. Okay, we'll do plus 1. It's fine. I mean, maybe. I'm turning to the sky. I guess that would okay, the only downside of this is that technically Spotify has a queue right now. And this is going to be off only because I restarted my overlay and it lost track of the queue. Because as far as from Spotify's perspective, the queue no longer exists. So I'm going to take this Astrum and I'm going to get rid of this for a moment. I'm going to clear this queue. But I am going to re-add this. At position 1. There. So we're at position 1. Which 0 would be now playing. 1 is now this song. Is that good phrasing? Was added to the queue at position 1. Was added to the queue at position 1. Oh? Failed to retrieve queue after queuing song. Song name is now in queue number... I don't know about that one. Was added to the queue... in position 1? Instead of at? I might be able to do that one. Sky, come on, get up. Song name is now in queue... I'm gonna think on that one. That one's such fluff. That's just literally the output message. The question was, though, why was this song not added? And grooving to the moving. Because technically something got added here. Play that funky music, white boy. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Dun, 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 dun. Interesting. So what broke here? Because apparently I couldn't get the message. And grooving and grooving to. Okay. Lay down the music and play. Okay. Yo, what up, 4H? How you doing, dude? Appreciate the follow. Welcome in. Yeah, man. The music, white boy. Um. Hey, how you doing, dude? Okay, so my question would be, why did that give me the error message? My question would be, why did that give us the error message on the last one? So, season. I haven't gotten any bad error codes. Also 200. Interesting. So, what broke here? Song request. I'm so mad if you don't get the makeshift darky plushie. What is there? Little stuffed animals for BTD? Foster the people. Why the heck did I have an error code? The heck? Yeah, by the way, 4H, if you're curious, right now we're actually programming Spotify APIs. So basically what we're doing is using Twitch chat and typing in our little commands and actually queuing up music to Spotify since we're making our own buck. And it still works. So what happened here? You don't talk about... Why did I get an error code that said this did not go through, is my question here. Should two chats on screen? Maybe. I mean, technically, my overlay is underneath this. Technically speaking. Now you should see what kind of double tags for their overlaying. And I never spoken. Okay, well then I don't know why we happen to get that error code. That was relatively strange. Okay, we'll just have to keep an eye out for it if it happens again. Sit Next to Me by Foster the People was added to the queue at position 3. What did you say trying for coordinate? Song name is now in queue position 4 or something? I'm not sure why that was off. I'll just have to keep an eye out for it then, I guess. And see if we can reproduce that. That was odd that it gave me that. It didn't succeed. It still added a song. It was weird because it queued up something that wasn't. Check Discord. Oh, I saw your message on. Oh, the plushie? I mean, that is pretty adorable, dude. You need him. The only thing I would say is that technically one of these. When I made the request, I requested Mad Season by Matchbox 20, but it gave me a different song. Sorry, we're using Spotify terminology here. It gave me a different track. That's very odd. You can go figure me out that I'm lost and I'm... Yeah, I guess we'll just have to keep an eye out for it. Alright, but while we're at it, since we have the Q command, or I mean, since Shuby's been asking for the Q command, let's add that real quick. The question is going to be how many songs we've returned for the queue. Shelby, are you still here? Are you still working? What's your requirements for Q command? Didn't you ask for like what person queued what? I think that was the hard mode task. I think that was the hard mode task. Caesar. I don't think he's lurking. We can tackle Q tomorrow then. Da, 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 da. Okay. Yeah, I think that is adequate for now. So that gives us the ability to queue songs both with a... Also, I guess we should test these too, but it should be the same. That should also work. Sometimes the dustards of dawn, you will remember me. Just one mistake. Remember me. Okay, so that gives us the ability to do song requests both by song links and just doing exclamation point song request with whatever name it is. Nice. Okay, so what do we still have left to do this week? Because I don't think we're going to get too much else done today. Might play a game of Team Fortress 2 and then take off. What's up, lag? What, drugs? What do you mean drugs? What, do you want an ask command? Do you want me to program ChatGPT into here? I mean, SmoothGPT is technical. SmoothGPT. I can put him on my little deal over here. I mean, maybe, dude. Oh. Uh-oh. I haven't seen that come up in a while. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna stop and build this and see if that pops up. I haven't seen that come up in a while. Letters stopping on the overlay bar? But no, we have... So I still have to fix the emotes in here. Right now, every single emote plays at 60 frames per second. So many of them go way faster or way slower than it's supposed to go. And I need to parse something out of the information that comes down from the GIF files that... There's 3 things we need to tackle right now for chat. I added rainbow text, and the thing about rainbow text is that rainbow text requires me to have to split out the emotes. So that's one, to get emotes working for the rainbow text again, because right now it has multicolored text, but because it breaks up every character and inserts a color tag in between there, the insertion... Oh, fuck. The insertion breaks up emotes incorrectly. So that's one. 2 is... getting the emotes to play in the correct FPS. 3 is fixing the save files for normal emotes that are using colons, and technically slashes, in which case I'll have to like save them out as like colon, like the word colon instead. Colon, or I guess maybe sad face, happy face, or something like smiley face. Because you cannot save colons or backslashes or forward slashes in file names. So when we save any emotes that come in, they're being saved incorrectly. Or they're not being saved, and so when the chat message tries to parse it, it doesn't break the overlay, but it stops showing the message. So, animated emotes, rainbow text, and smiley faces. And I think smiley faces is going to be the easiest one. We might do that one next because I just realized how I could save it. Because basically we just split out replace the smiley face images with like the name that we call it. And I think that would be sufficient. Oops. Uh-oh. Interesting. Wait, is this broken if I do it through the desktop app? No, that one shut up. Nope, that one shut up too. No. So those are the 3 things we have to take care of for Those are the three things we'll have to take care of. Hey, Shelby. Dude, why do you keep disappearing? I asked you a question and you disappear, dude. How am I supposed to know what you asked if you just keep leaving, dude? I don't know. What did I ask? It's a good question. What did you request for the queue? What would you like to see for the queue? I need to know exactly what your expectations for the queue command are, because I can technically show you the queue. So just a list of songs ordered by next to be played. I would cap that to 5 because I don't think I have enough space to play all of them. Is that it? You don't need to know who requested or anything? You just want to know the list of songs? I would still cap it to 5. Spotify gives me 20, but that would never fit in an actual text, and that's just a lot of text to show. In fact, I might even cast... Oh yeah, now you want that? Now that I pointed it out to you? We'll see. I'm not going to cap it by 500 characters. In fact, I think Twitch only supports 480. I would do top 3 requests. Or top 3 queues. Getting the actual doing queue without who requested is actually quite simple, and I could probably do that right now. Excuse me. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I think that's too unnecessary. Right now, I'm not capturing the list of manually queued songs. Okay. It's an oddly specific number. Well, by that logic, I should just do... Well, queue and my request would be 2 separate things. I think that one requires more... I'm going to be getting off here, so we could theoretically try tackling it tomorrow. But I think that one's way more involved. I think that one's just way more involved. Because at that point, I need to keep track of whose song is in the queue. And at the moment, I'm able to pull the queue. I mean, I could have a rudimentary queue up and running that would show the top 3 right now. Well, not right now, but within like 10 minutes probably. Actually, even less than that, because we have the queue. Oh, and I want to be with you everywhere. Who's this we keep track of users? Who's this we, dude? I keep track of users. That would go in the same portion of queue where I'd be queuing people. I don't have track of users' song requests at the moment. That would need to be passed on with the Twitch Spotify information. I don't have who queued what quite yet. Is it though? Is it? I could probably do that. Yeah, no, otherwise it's exactly. I could have it up and running and I could have it up and running and like I already have the API endpoint. I could have the queue up and running in like literally I don't know, 10 minutes, probably less. And dun 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 dun. Dun dun dun. I wanna be. Yeah, I'd have to think on that one for a little bit. Keeping track of it locally is a different story because even Spotify's queue isn't great. Their queue API returns back 20 songs. So on Spotify, they have this now playing. They have a they have two queues. So here is they're now playing, or I mean, they take tracks of multiple things. So when you retrieve the queue, it gives you the now playing. It gives you the queue, and then it also gives you next from whatever the rest of your songs are. All a part of that queue up to 20 songs. So it doesn't just return what is in queue. Well, you weren't here. I don't know what you heard, man. But the point being is that it's more complex than it needs to be. Also, I'm going to change that real quick. You told me already. Well, you also didn't respond when I said, hey, Shobi, where are you? Yes, but I would need to know who requested what song, which I don't have yet. But I'm aware. Hey, Shroby, I already know. No, I'm just playing, man. Nah, I think we're on the same page for ideas here. I think it's very, very corollary. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Down, down, down. Hey, I think we're gonna get along with better what I go. Are you ready? I had a spot alone in the heat. No, I'm just playing, man. Another one bites the dust. Down, down, down. Another one bites the dust. And another one gone, and another one gone. And was added to the queue at position 1. Position 1 just sounds weird. XYZ was added to the queue at position 1. Position 2. How about this? Skip queue? I don't know about skip queue. I could do skip song. No, I got him off here, dude. I've already considered adding a skip. I don't know about skip queue. I would wait. What is song? I need to reduce text to speech to be 1,000 too. Text to speech and request song should be 1,000 each. And another one gone, and another one gone. So-and-so was added to the queue. Position in queue. 1. Nah, I'll just leave it. Oh, that's fine. Alright, we'll do that. And it's okay. Yeah, I'll add some more commands tomorrow, I think. We could be beautiful. Get drunk on the good life. Paradise. Say you'll never let me go. Oops. Alright, dudes. I'm going to be taking off here. Make a quick build of this and do a quick test here. And then I'm going to be taking off. Dun, dun, dun. No games today. I don't know if we're going to be doing games tomorrow either. I think I'm just going to do some more programming. Wait, what? What do you need? Why do you go to bed earlier than me? I don't go to bed earlier than you. No one said I'm going to bed. I just have to get off. Where am I going? I'm taking my dog for a walk. He's laying behind me. Also, I have work tomorrow, so I have to get off for work. Yo, what up, Cynical? I got an ad for dog breed. Got a dog dang it. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, I was just talking about you earlier. Nice, dude. Hey, what's going on, dude? How'd Battlefield go? Wait, is that what you were playing yesterday? Or was it the sex scene of... I don't know. I'm getting lost of... I'm getting lost in the track of... my memory is apparently going to hell. Was it sex scenes or was it Battlefield yesterday? You're going all over the place for me, dude. No, it's got to be the Battlefield. Yeah, you missed. Yeah. Yep. Oh, I was there for it, baby. We merged as one. Battlefield, okay. Yeah, so that was you missing the rocket. Yeah, I don't know what that time is, dude. Is this good? Nice. Alright, let's test this out real quick. Then we'll probably take off here. So we got song request. I don't know, man. Time just kind of flies by, dude. Time just kind of exists. We kind of exist with it. Then suddenly, you wake up and, it's a new day. Hey, no worries, Astrum, but we're about to take out. Are you gonna be streaming, Astrum? Could go raid you if you're gonna be streaming. Otherwise, we're probably gonna look for a software engineer if not. But I'm gonna do song request. Cynical, what's your favorite song? Actually, wait, yeah, Cynical, what's your favorite song? Give me a favorite song. Da, 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 da. Say you'll never let me go. Let's see if this bad boy is working. Master of Puppets. Okay, let's see if that pops up. Song request, Master of Puppets. I got Enter Sandman by Metallica, so not even close. But it did search for something, and that's why it's better to use song IDs. Master of Puppets. Is it this one by Metallica? It was close. Let's try this one. It was close. Okay, let's do this. SR Spotify track. Bam! There it is! We got it! Nice, nice. And then let's try longer song request. Because no one can live without me. I got Lose Yourself. Well, another emphasis of why search results are not great. We'll just choose Fancy by Guzelia. Copy song link. Song request. This one should be correct. Yes! Perfect. Cool. That means we have full song requests working. So we have song, current song. Scott, don't do that. Current. Spotify's going to be pissed at me for the amount of APIs I'm calling them. I need to make a skip command, but we'll do that tomorrow. And then we have the two song requests, so SR and song request. So sweet. And now we can use full links, which I guess we'll have to change the channel point rewards for actual song links instead of an input text, and we can actually just reference that, which will be pretty cool. Alright, dudes. We'll go find someone that's streaming. Get out of here, man. I see Nero, Beast, Dr. Odd Guy, Larry the Gamer. See if anyone's doing some hardcore programming here. I see Unity. I see Godot. Does anyone have a face cam? Face cams, face cams. Never lie. It's just a reminder of how abstract code can look. PNG tuber program in Godot. Okay. Perhaps, except ads are great. Ads are great. I also see another Godot. What do we got here? Music sliders, options. Oh my god, ads for days, dude. Alright, we'll go raid this dude because ads are a bitch and I don't feel like waiting. I'm impatient. Actually, let me ask. Do I have sound on here? Let me make sure I'm going against someone that's pretty cool. Tomorrow, I think I'm going to be wrapping up some of these Twitch APIs. Shoei was asking me for a Q command, and then I think I'm going to add the song skip. And then what I want to do is I need to reprogram these. Hang on. Probably should have called him programmer. But basically, I need to change these so when someone claims something, like you actually have to put input text. Ooh. You need to input text and it will actually like do the search for you. So probably TF2 Thursday or Friday. Probably not tomorrow. I think today's Tuesday now. Ooh, Game Maker. Alright, we'll go raid this dude. Seems nice. Yeah, today, for honor, never. I don't own it. I thought about playing Sea of Thieves today. I thought about reinstalling it, and then I changed my mind. It seems like a nice dude. Yeah, it is not. I mean, TF2 and programming really don't mix, dude. I feel like they're completely opposite spectrums of attention spans, dude. TF2 is like super spazzy and you just have explosions going off, and then programming is like deep thought, really slow, no excitement. Yeah, song. That's a weird way of putting it, but yeah, essentially. All right, we're gonna go raid this dude. He seems really nice. It looks like he's working on a game that's on itch. So we'll go toss him a raid. Feel free to stick around, dude. He's doing Godoting, open source and all that. It's pretty fun. Yo, what up, Seagull? Popped in here a little late. No worries, dude. Yeah, we're about to take off and go raid this dude. But we have cool new song request stuff, and you can actually use links now. You can use Spotify links or just normal words. But anyways, it's